Hello friends, in this video we'll resize and animate images in Canva. For this, click on videos. And go to YouTube video. New page opens up. Now click on Uploads. Select this image. Set image as background. Then select this car image. Remove its background using BG remover. And place this car in the center like this. Now duplicate the page. Resize. Now increase the size of car from one end like this. Now increase from top side and place it at center like this. Place it here. Now increase the first page size like up to 10 seconds. Similarly, increase second page as well. Now in page transition, click here, then click on match and move. Increase its duration and download. So it will be downloaded. Now click on these three dots and delete page. Similarly again do the same thing for second page as well. Upload that video and set video as background. Now click on play button. Press S key when the car starts so that video will be cut out. Again now press S key when the car approaches endpoint. It will play like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.